Hello, this is a tutorial for the Libbey glass mockup on Canva. Included are 2 straw options and 2 glass options. Let's first go into the straight straw option. Once you open the template, you can click on position at the top to see all the layers. The layers are also outlined in the comments at the right. You can drop in your design or add it from your uploads, then drag it to the 4th position from the bottom. If you like, you can slightly reduce the transparency of your design to make it blend a little bit better. You can also play around with the transparencies of the highlights and shadow layer, which are the first and second layers from the top. And you can turn on the coffee option by turning on the transparency of the 5th layer here. Now let's go into the bent straw option, which has the same layer setup as the first one we just did. You can drag in your design, then move it to the 4th position down. You can play around with the transparency of the highlight and shadow layers. If you would like to go a step further to make it look a little bit more realistic, you can duplicate your design layer, flip the design, and reduce the transparency to make it look like the design is showing through the back of the glass. Then drag this layer to under the first design layer. Once you are done, you can click on the Share button, download, and then save it in the file format of your choice. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions.